to Kids Fun Learn Club. It's for in the 6 minutes 100 days drawing challenge.
6 minutes, 100 days drawing challenge. What are we going to draw today, Parikshet? I hope you are enjoying the drawing challenge.
Yes. Today we are going to draw Batman's face.
A Batman's face. Since we did another superhero drawing in the episode number 26, what was that? A Spider-Man. And this time we are going to do a Batman's face. This is episode number 27. I hope you're loving it, you're enjoying it, having fun with us, while you're also getting to learn how to sketch, how to draw using just a pencil, no colors, nothing. Just a pencil and a white paper. That's all what you need. Yeah? Let's get started with this episode number 27. Do not forget to be with us till the end of the video to see if you or your channel got featured in this video in the shout out that Parikshet gives in every single video. Let's get started.
It's gonna be very super easy.
Yeah, let's see if it's gonna be a super easy one.
Let's start with the head.
Let's start with the face.
No, let's start with the head.
Let's start with the face.
Why?
It's gonna be easy face.
Yeah,
See how this is how we do the face.
I'm starting from the head.
Let's start with the face.
What? You know, because you will just do it.
No, let's start with this.
That will be easy.
No, let's start with this. I've already started. Let's start with this.
I'm starting with the head, please.
Please. We cannot do different things, no? It will be confusing for the people.
Papa, why don't we start with the head?
Okay,
No.
not at all. I've already started. Let's finish it with
Yeah, so now you did that. That's the face. Now start with the head.
Okay. Since Parikshet wants us to start from the head, let's start with the head. Okay?
Yes.
And okay. Yeah. Okay. Does this look like a Spider-Man yet?
Batman.
Sorry, a Batman. Does it look like a Batman yet?
No, but it will.
It will. Once we are done.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now maybe it's looking a little like Batman.
Okay.
Batman is very angry.
Angry on you, no?
No, only.
Because of your naughtiness. He's angry on Parikshet. That's the face. Now it's the time to do the nose and the eyes. Everything is easy.
Told you it will be super easy. Do we have to color it?
Yeah, we need to. The face.
I'll just take a darker piece.
Yeah. Give me as well.
I took the darkest pencil. Here.
Okay.
I took the darkest pencil.
have done this too. Do not forget to share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at @KidsFunLearn to get featured in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the drawing. This was episode number 27 of the 6 minutes 100 days challenge. Do not forget to like and subscribe the channel and hit on the notification bell to see whenever we upload a new video, you get a notification for the same. And tell us in the comments which drawing you want us to draw the next. Have an amazing day. Bye bye. See you in the next video.